Just before 10 p.m. on August 31st, 1886, Charleston rumbled to life. A massive earthquake struck without warning. Buildings cracked open. Church steeples fell. The ground rippled like water. It lasted less than a minute, but nearly every structure in the city was damaged. Over 100 people died, and yet, somehow, Charleston survived. Ever heard of the 1886 quake? Leave a comment if you've seen the damage still visible today. Follow Palmetto Time Machine for more stories of South Carolina's past and future. Crafted by human insight and machine curiosity.